Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, the reason I don't use the third party or the paid antivirus on my Windows computer. So I don't use it. So the reasons I don't use it, here are the some reasons which I don't like on the paid and third party antivirus. Now the first is unnecessary PC utilization. When you install the your paid antivirus or free antivirus, so you will see the your task manager utilization is high, and when you check it carefully you will see that the utilization of your antivirus is most, and after using it you will get the low performance and your PC will become slow, and after that unresponsive of your system, and it's not being opened as expected and the application is not opening as expected on your Windows. So this is the first reason which I don't like. The second reason is obviously the paid, you have to pay for that. So instead of paying, I recommend you to choose the inbuilt Windows antivirus. It has a very vast feature right now. When I show it the features, you will get a lot of options: scan options, quick scan, full scan, customize scan, Microsoft Defender offline. Even you can run it offline and it will run on the boot. When you click on this option and you select the scan now and restart your Windows has the inbuilt capacity to even detect and remove the viruses from your computer with pre-boot. So these are the custom inbuilt feature which it has. So this is the reason I don't use a third party. And even if your data is sensitive, and still you not opt for, you should not go for the paid antivirus. This is enough for my understanding. Whenever you see recommend option, quick scan, protection history, more of the options here. So now this is the second reason, and the third reason is restricted for testing. If you are testing for something and you want to control everything related to your PC, local things and other apps and other things, so the paid antivirus not let you do the testing on your Windows. So it's better to have the Windows inbuilt antivirus. Now the fourth reason is conflict. Sometimes what happens that due to conflicts with the third party and paid antivirus, it disabled built-in Microsoft Defender, but running two solutions in the parallel can lead to conflict and potentially leave your system unprotected if misconfigured. If somehow it is misconfigured on your system and you are thinking that your PC is protected, but it is not the case, and that is the reason I don't use the paid antivirus. Now the fifth reason is unwanted ads and upsells. When you install it, okay, when you install the third party or the paid application, even that they will ask you to upsell and upgrade for some plans. Let's say you are not using your VPN plan in the paid antivirus, so it will ask you to upgrade and you will get these kind of features and like that. That is the upselling skills they have. And even when I go to the browser here, so when I look for the best antivirus software for home users, okay, so it is suggesting some of the data I have. When I filter it, you can see here the top antivirus here, but these are not essential for the home users and even the light browsing. If your data is sensitive and you are handling your system with the right way, I mean you are not browsing third party application which is from untrusted source, and browsing the HTTPS, the website is secure, and like that the activities which you are doing is secure, so no one can inject the viruses on your system and no one can hack your system until you do some unusual activity. So when I check the Google for it, paid antivirus may be worth on Windows 11 to handle the sensitive data, required additional like VPN or password manager, or want to more comprehensive protection against unknown advanced threat that is than the free Microsoft antivirus. So this is suggesting even for more sensitive data and advanced threat protection, but I believe that home users don't need it, and Microsoft Defender can help you. You can see here even as well the activity which you can perform on your system. You should practice good cyber hygiene, regularly update your softwares, use the strong password, and rare caution about the website you visit, files you downloaded, or you can reduce your risk like this way. Your security needs for basic Microsoft Defender is enough, which I have already showed you. So these are the key features and benefits of the inbuilt Windows Defender. That's why I don't use the paid antivirus on my Windows. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you and you have understood what is the reason behind that I'm not using the paid antivirus. So thank you, thanks for watching.